Hi, I'm Akil from Arcade Systems. After you created the grid lines, you need to set the project levels to determine the height of your building. You can do that by clicking one of these elevation points, and you can see the level 1 and level 2 shows as it is in the project browser. You can add the levels by copy the level line upwards and enter any value you want. You can also change the level name. Let's say change level 1 to ground floor level. Change the level 2 to first floor. Yes, and level 3 to roof. You can also change the height of the building by clicking this value and type a new value. You now have the right levels. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.